I'm 𝐒𝐧𝐝𝐵𝐵. I'm from FCE Bashful. I'm from language school, KBTC language school. Here now I'm doing a project, the endangered species. Yes, by increasing population and urbanization, some human activities done without awareness can damage our living world and our valuable present from the world. Animals. Yeah, however, we always do damage things to them, and that we always make them harder to survive. So now they're endangered and they're expected to go extinct in a few years. Because of our reckless behavior, they have to say goodbye to our world forever and ever. Yeah? These are the endangered animals. First one is sea turtle. Sinks people throw plastic and trash into the sea. Many water creatures make mistakes and with their food they eat plastic clothing and they die unreasonable. Yeah, this is also an example of water creature who die eating plastic clothing. This is sea creature. And then here, this is an animal from our Myanmar. This is Irrawaddy dolphin. It is a sample of Myanmar. It's also called Demo fish because they guide our boats and then they help fishermen to catch a lot of fish. However, they are not endangered list because of our human activities and then like water pollution. What causes water pollution? Yeah, humans always throw plastic and trash into the sea and then into the water. So water creatures like Irrawaddy dolphin and sea creatures like sea green turtle also lose their homes and they die unreasonable. So what we must do to protect them? Instead of littering into the sea and water, we must reduce, reuse, and recycle our plastic and trash. And then even rare and unusual animals like Dumbo autobots and axolotls, cockapoo bats also lose their home and family, and they also live endangered species because of habitat loss and climate change. Yeah, climate change is really bad thing because climate change can cause a lot of effects to our living world and our animals. Yeah, what can cause climate change? Yeah, climate change can cause like burning fossil gas and then other producing carbon footprints. So what we must do? We must reduce carbon footprint. So walk more cycle, and then more use public transportation than our private cars. So by doing this activity, we can protect these animals. And then this is the example of climate change and global warming. This is a polar bear. Polar bear here in this photo, as you can see, polar bear is losing its home because ice are melt because of global warming. Here in this photo, polar bear is really poor because it's difficult to live on the little ice. Yeah, and then these are another example of human activities. This is one beaver ban forest and then cut down trees because of plant trees and then plant trees and building our city and urbanization. Why a lot of wild animals like orangutan, elephant, koala, and then northern white rhinos and tiger also lose their homes and family because of wildfires. So what we must do to protect them? Yeah, of course we don't have to go to the forest and find endangered animals and save them on our own. We can't do like that, right? but we can protect them on our own in our daily life by doing individual activities. Yes, so to conclude my project, endangered animals are also part of our world and our nature. So they're like our wild friends. So we must protect them and save them. Yes, so every big changes can make of every small steps. So we all have responsibility to protect the endangered species. Thank you for listening to my presentation.